Okay, so here we are to try to make a basic guide to install B4 non-stop. So this one is already on. So I'm going to explain you how to manipulate. Here in this slide we can see that this is flushing, is hitting the tank, and it says that the set point temperature is 100 and we have already reached the 100. Okay, so with this narrow we can go down to different elements. Now we haven't plugged anything, so we can see nothing at all. So with this arrow we can low or get up the temperature. With this clock we can also make a programmation of the temperature. With this one we can switch on or switch off the equipment. And this one you can see if the temperature is already okay. Here we have the pumping card, and with this one we can increase or decrease the RPM of the motor. With this one we make it turn or stop. Then we have this pressure regulator. With this pressure regulator we control the pressure of this cylinder. This cylinder is to press the glue. This pressure must be always very low, about 1 or 2 kilos. On this side we have another air regulator, and in this air regulator we control the bypass pressure. So it depends on the value, pneumatic value we put here, we have more or less hydraulic pressure. Okay, so the first step in the installation is to place the unit. So by releasing these screws, this one, and then these two in the back, we can separate the unit from this plate. So this plate is the one we are going to fix to the machine's customer. Okay, so once we have placed the unit, we need to put the cables, to wire the cables for the power supply. So we have to take out this plate, and we can see here how we have the neutral, the phase, and the ground. Okay, so this is all we need to wire for the machine. Then we have another input here for the communications. So we release the head, the hood of the unit, and now from the internal part of the unit we have to put the wire until the communication plug. Okay, so now we have a power supply in our unit. We can switch it on, and we are going to plug also a hose, just as an example. Okay. So the hose is plugged, and once we have a certain temperature, we can release the record here and put the hose. Okay, so now the unit is a little bit hot, so it's the moment to release this record. Okay, we release it, and we put this one. And then we can already plug the hose. Okay, so here we are the glue, and we are going to put the glue in the unit. To do it, first of all, we have to cut by this side in order to allow the glue to follow. It's very important to leave a narrow edge all around the glue. And then also it's very important to put with this, to put a small part in order to allow the air to get out. Okay, so once we have prepared our glue, we just have to open, put it inside, close again, and put it down. Okay, at this point, we have already the glue melted in our unit, and we just need to adjust the RPM. So for example, we are going to put 70. We press the narrow right to memorize, and then we press here, and the pump starts turning. With this control, we control the pressure in the bypass, so we can control also the speed and the amount of glue the unit is going to provide.